Long story short, a patron tagged me in a Facebook post about some flower seed shotgun shells thingy. I don't know if that's even true or not, but it made me wonder, you know, can we do it? We have a couple of shotgun shells that I modified, and we put some pea and some bean seeds inside of them. For the shells, we just used some standard birdshot. So what we had to do is take it out and then cut it and remove this middle section. If you ever loaded shotgun shells, you probably know that the powder that is used has a specific burn rate and requires a certain pressure to burn fast. If there is not enough mass in front of it, or there is not enough compression, it will just burn slowly. It will deflagrate. It will just create some flames and not actually create enough pressure to get the rounds out of the barrel. So all of the rounds, I try to really compress them, put as much of the seeds inside as possible. So we'll try these first at a target with a control of birdshot, just to see, you know, if there's any pattering, if actually, you know, the seeds have enough mass to go through cardboard. And of course, after that, we'll also try to shoot these rounds into dirt to see if we can plant some seeds. It might not seem like in the video, but it's a month later and we actually have something growing in here. And it's not just weeds. It really looks like that. I would say, from my expert opinion, this is grach. It doesn't look like random weeds, but let's ask an expert for his opinion.
Yeah, these are probably peas.
So this is amazing for two reasons. First, we were actually able to plant something with a shotgun. And the second thing, now you have eco-friendly, biodegradable, less than lethal-ish ammo that you can use to spread freedom. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I bet this will be demonetized as soon as we upload. Any words from our sponsors?
No.
Okay, bye-bye.